Hello kids! Welcome to Reading by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Let's read. The Friendly Slime Monster. Listen to the story carefully. Get ready to answer fun questions. Pick the right answer and keep playing. Let's have fun. Gooey was a small green slime monster. He was soft and squishy. Gooey wanted friends, but people ran away because they thought he was scary. Gooey felt very sad. Question 1. What is the monster's name? A. Leo. B. Gooey.
The correct answer is
Gooey. Question 2. What color is Gooey? A. Green. B. Blue. The correct answer is green. Question 3. Why did people run away? A. He was funny. B. He was scary. The correct answer is he was scary. Paragraph 2. One day, Gooey saw a girl named Mia. She was crying. Her kite was stuck in a tree.
Gooey wanted to help her, but he felt a little scared. Question 4. What is the girl's name? A. Mia. B. Ria. The correct answer is Mia. Question 5. What was stuck in the tree? A. Ball. B. Kite. The correct answer is kite. Question 6. How did Gooey feel? A. Happy. B. Scared. The correct answer is scared.
Now please subscribe the channel.
Paragraph 3. Gooey stretched his slimy body. He reached up high. He got the kite and gave it to Mia. Mia smiled and said thank you. Gooey felt happy. Question 7. What did Gooey stretch? A. A rope. B. His slime body. The correct answer is his slime body. Question 8. What did he get from the tree? A. Bag. B. Kite. The correct answer is kite. Question 9. What did Mia say? A. Go away. B. Thank you. The correct answer is thank you.
Hey superstar, want to show how fast you can read? Ask Mama or Papa to book your reading challenge below.
Fun activity. Stretch your arms. Paragraph 4. Mia told everyone about Gooey. She said he was kind. Soon, children came to meet him. They played and laughed with Gooey all day.
Question 10. Who told others about Gooey? A. Teacher. B. Mia. The correct answer is Mia. Question 11. What did the children do? A. Ran away. B. Played. The correct answer is played. Question 12. Was Gooey kind or scary? A. Scary. B. Kind. The correct answer is kind.
Free one-on-one reading check. Know your child's reading level in just 30 minutes.
Fun activity. Try to jump as high as you can. Paragraph 5. Now, Gooey had many friends. He was not lonely anymore. Gooey learned to be brave and kind. He smiled every day. Question 13. Does Gooey have friends now? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is yes. Question 14. What did Gooey learn? A. Be mean. B. Be kind. The correct answer is be kind. Question 15. Is Gooey happy or sad at the end? A. Sad. B. Happy. Correct answer is happy.
Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Great job, kids! You did an amazing job today. If you had fun, make sure to like this video. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.